Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an AOL account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Simply, you can install AOL app either through App Store or Play Store, or even you can use any of the browser to create it. So I'm going to show you how to do it by using any of the suitable browser today. For this, I'm going to use Chrome today. So I'm going to tap on Chrome just like this. This will take you to the home page of a Chrome where you can type a web address. I'm going to type over here AOL.com and reach to the home page of AOL. Just like this. You can see that this is the particular page for AOL. So to create an AOL account, all you got to do is tap on these three parallel lines on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various options, and all you got to do is tap on login and join next to mail. So you can see that it's being loaded, and this is a page of signing in where you can create an account or simply log in if you do already have an account. So I'm going to tap on create account. Now you have an important details to fill, so I'm going to tap and fill them one by one. First name, second name, and the required email address with the particular password that I want to keep. It should be stronger, make it more stronger just like this. And then I can even choose the country code for the country that I'm currently residing. And then I'm going to keep the number, birth date, the suitable one that you're off, and then the date just like this. And even I can choose the gender, which is optional as well. So after this, I can simply tap on continue option just like this. So guys, you can see it's being loaded. I'll be sent with the verification code on my phone. I'm waiting for it, so I can simply tap on text me a verification code to get a verification code. Alright, so I'm waiting for the verification code to appear on my phone. Okay, you can see that I do have a verification code, guys, and I did receive a message over here. I'm gonna go to message and copy the particular number. Just simply tap on it. Okay, and I'm gonna paste over here, and then I'm gonna tap on verify. So you can see that's being verified. Okay, you can see that welcome to AOL. I do have a notification of simply, and I'm gonna tap on done. You can see it's being loaded, and guys, you can see that I have simply created my AOL account. And then going to over here, this is Alexa Gill over here, and this is my particular profile as well, and I can keep my pictures as well. So this is how I do it. This is how I create an AOL account and sign up for it and simply create it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.